CNC run අය.
හදිස්සියට පරිස්සම්ම නැහැ. මුල් දවස් 10ට පොලිය ගන්නෙත් නැහැ.
The Sapakaskanda oil refinery, Sri Lanka's largest, is set to be closed for the second time in the past few months by the Ministry of Energy. Subject Minister Udaya Gamampilla announced that the refinery will be closed from the 3rd of January due to a lack of available foreign exchange to pay for crude oil purchases. He added, however, that operations are expected to resume before the 30th of January. Despite this, the minister assured the public that no fuel shortage will occur as a result. This announcement comes after Sri Lanka temporarily halted operations at Sapakaskanda last month in a bid to save foreign exchange through the suspension of crude oil imports. The refinery was reopened on the 7th of this month after 22 days of closure. In a communique issued today, the Energy Ministry explained further that the long-term contract for crude oil supply was awarded to a Singaporean company back in January this year. According to the agreement, the company needs to be informed 90 days in advance for purchases of Murban crude oil that is refined at the Sapakaskanda facility. It adds that due to this, the Singaporean company can only resume supply on the 26th of January. Further, due to the country's current forex issues, making emergency purchases of crude has become a difficult prospect, prompting the closure of the facility. The statement also says that Sri Lanka's recent credit rating decline has compounded the situation, making it near impossible to purchase crude on credit. However, the ministry assures that the temporary closure of the Sapakaskanda oil refinery will not lead to a fuel shortage in the country, as the facility only accounts for 14% of the country's petrol and 29% of its diesel requirements.